I'm Jeff Kilburn, Managing Director for EPLAN in the United States. EPLAN is a company that provides a best-in-class engineering software for electrical solutions, and we're built on top of a common data model, which delivers a lot of the value that our customers realize from our software and solutions. Our focus is industrial automation, but we serve a multitude of industries really across the spectrum, from automotive to food and beverage, energy and maritime, building technologies, even out to a wide variety of process industries as well. We take pride in helping our customers increase the efficiency of their engineering processes. So we talk a lot about people, process, and technology. We believe our technology is great, but we have to help them make the changes in the process to realize the value that they're looking for. And quite often that's both improving their bottom line through engineering efficiencies, but also improving their top line. We have a customer that likes to tell us, I can say yes more often now that I'm using EPLAN, and I think that's a really important statement from a customer. They have been an important partner for us. We were one of the founding members of the Rockwell Digital Partner Program in 2019, and we continue to collaborate with them, and now we're looking at taking the next step and really helping our joint customers deliver the results on their digital transformation journey by simplifying major aspects of their overall effort. So a lot of this is going to result or revolve around the connectivity of the respective solutions between EPLAN and Rockwell, and we believe that the future is truly in the cloud, and that's where we're putting a lot of effort. I know that's where Rockwell is as well.